A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant development in Arizona's political landscape, the divorce records of Democratic Senate candidate Ruben Gallego and Phoenix Mayor Kate Gallego have been made public after a court ruling. This unsealing comes after a lengthy legal battle initiated by the conservative news outlet, Washington Free Beacon, which sought access to the documents. The records, which date back 7 years, reveal little about the couple's high-profile marriage or the reasons for its dissolution. Notably, there are no allegations of abuse or infidelity that could have cast a shadow over Gallego's Senate campaign, which is closely monitored as it may influence control of the U.S. Senate. The Gallegos had initially opposed the release of the records, citing concerns for their child's safety and privacy. Their request for an emergency order to keep the records sealed was denied by the Arizona Supreme Court just a day before the documents were unsealed. The divorce decree, signed by both parties, explicitly states that there was no domestic violence during the marriage, contradicting claims made by some of Gallego's political opponents. GOP nominee Kari Lake has seized upon the release of these records, suggesting that they contain damaging information about Gallego's character. In various interviews, she implied that the circumstances surrounding the divorce could be a significant story, questioning why Gallego left his pregnant wife at such a critical time. Lake's comments have drawn sharp criticism from the Gallegos, who issued a joint statement demanding an apology from her for what they described as lies about their family. The couple emphasized their commitment to prioritizing their son's well-being, who is now 7 years old. They accused Lake of exploiting their private matters for political gain, stating that her actions could endanger their child's privacy. In response, Caroline Wren, a senior advisor to Lake, dismissed the Gallegos' claims, arguing that it was unreasonable for Gallego to demand an apology when he had acted in a way that she deemed appalling. Wren further questioned Gallego's claims of wanting to protect women, given the circumstances of his divorce. The divorce file outlines a shared parenting and custody plan for their son, alongside details on asset division, although many specifics were redacted from the public documents. Yavapai County Judge John Napper, who presided over the case, remarked that the file was quite ordinary, describing it as one of the most standard divorce cases he had encountered. The public revelation of the divorce details has added a layer of complexity to Gallego's Senate campaign, which he has positioned as a fight for the people of Arizona. He has faced scrutiny not only for his past, but also for the implications of his marriage's end, which took place just before the birth of their first child. Despite the challenges, both Ruben and Kate Gallego have maintained a united front in public, often appearing together with their son, indicating a commitment to co-parenting despite their divorce. Kate Gallego even endorsed her ex-husband's Senate campaign last year, signaling a level of mutual respect and cooperation that contradicts the narrative of scandal. In the wake of the divorce records being unsealed, political analysts speculate that while the initial shock of the revelation may have drawn attention, the lack of substantial evidence of wrongdoing may ultimately deflate any potential political fallout for Ruben Gallego. As the campaign progresses, all eyes will be on how this personal matter influences voter perceptions and the overall dynamics of the race for the Senate seat in Arizona. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.